Hi friends, this is Sarah. Welcome to Crafting and Relaxing, and thank you so much for joining me, whether you're brand new or you've been with me since the beginning. I'm so glad that you're here. I posted a short video, and I haven't been posting daily videos this week. I've been missing some, but then I realized I forgot to do something, so I made you one more video for this weekend because I didn't announce the winner of this fabulous canvas. I'm going to hold it up so you can see. I know there's some glare, sorry about that. My friend Andrea, also known as Andy.mess, I think she has the dot on Instagram, has been doing paint pouring, and she made this beautiful canvas with all sorts of neat cells and different shapes going on, and put the fabric across the back for us. It doesn't have a hanger, so you can decide which direction you want to hang it, or if you want to just set it on a shelf or your desk or something. It has so much color and inspiration, and you could look at it and then think, oh, I'm going to craft all day. You'll be ready. Even if you're not a paint pourer, it's even better for somebody who isn't, because then you get to have one, and she had all the mess. So I've pulled up the video that it was in. It wasn't a real public giveaway. It was something where, you have to be watching my channel and paying attention. And then you were supposed to use the word media if you wanted to enter, and we're going to go ahead and get the comments. So we have 17 that watched and commented, and obviously you had to be in the US because it's going to be a large item to ship. And then we go down here. I'm looking past all the, I don't want to get into the ads. And then we're going to go ahead and pick the winner, and the winner should, the best way is probably to email me at craftingandrelaxing@gmail.com, or to find me on Instagram. There are sometimes problems where people swoop in and take your prize, so we try and avoid that, and I want to confirm that you are you. Okay, let's go ahead and choose the winner. Da, 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 da. Oh, it's ZC Creations. So that's Marcia. Marcia makes amazing junk journals, and she, I bet, was very excited when she saw this. She loves texture and color and all sorts of things. So Marcia, I do have your address. Leave a comment down below so everybody knows that you saw this. And since I'm getting ready to leave town, I won't get this mailed till next week, but I'll probably put a few more goodies in there. And I'm going to check what state you live in, because like I said before, does anybody know, have you ever mailed a paint pouring project? Would it crack if it goes through super cold weather? So that's something I'm going to check and look at where Marcia is. Thanks everybody for watching, and I hope you're having a great weekend. Bye-bye.